My name is Joy Kirukatukunonye, and I read So You Stop Thinking Small. This is Lessons from Powerful Books, and we are starting with a book called Acres of Diamond by Russell H. Conwell, which was written in the late 1800s. Now, this book is not a normal storybook. It's actually a lecture about success, wealth, and opportunity. And the main idea is simple. Most people are searching for what is already close to them. This series is for anybody who feels stuck, anyone who is trying to understand success, or anyone who wants to think differently about money and life. Now, over the next episodes, we'll be breaking down ideas like money and value, opportunity and awareness, success and mindset, and how people miss what is already in front of them. So, the question is simple. Are you ready to stop thinking small?